Ano oras na? What time is it? Ano oras na? Ano oras na? Alas 10 na. It's 10 o'clock already. Alas 10 na. Alauna y media sa hapon. So alauna y media is like Spanish. So yeah, we use that also in telling time. Alauna y media sa hapon. Or you can say it in English as well. 1:30 sang hapon. 1:30 sang hapon or alauna y media sa hapon. Ano nga adlaw subong? What day is it today? Ano nga adlaw subong? So, and then to tell the days of the week in Hiligaynon, we use the Spanish one. So, it's Lunes, Martes, Miyerkules, Huwebes, Biyernes, Sabado, and Domingo. So, ano nga adlaw subong? Lunes subong. Today is Monday. Lunes subong. Martes, buwas. So tomorrow is Tuesday. Subong is today, buwas is tomorrow, Martes, buwas. Domingo, kahapon. Yesterday was Sunday, or it was Sunday yesterday. Domingo, kahapon. Lunes, kahapon. Ano nga petsa sa Biyernes? What date is this Friday? Ano nga petsa sa Bernes or Biyernes? Ano nga petsa sa Biyernes? San-o ang kaadlawan mo or san-o ang birthday mo? So when is your birthday? San-o ang kaadlawan mo or san-o ang birthday mo? Merienda na. So it's time for merienda or snack. Merienda na or mamerienda na kita. San o ka malakat? When are you leaving? San o ka malakat? Or lakat means to walk or to go. So when are you going? When are you leaving? San o ka malakat? So san o is when. San o ka malakat? San o ka mabalik? When are you coming back? So san o ka mabalik? When are you coming back?